Let's find the slope of the tangent line to the parabola y squared equals 4ax at the point at squared, 2at. Let's visualize this parabola. Here's our coordinate system. And here's our parabola y squared equals 4ax. We want to find the slope of the tangent line at this specific point. To find the slope, we need to differentiate the equation y squared equals 4ax implicitly with respect to x. Let's apply the chain rule to the left side and differentiate the right side. Now let's solve for dy dx. We can divide both sides by 2y to isolate dy dx. Now we can substitute our point at the point at squared, 2at, y equals 2at. Let's substitute this into our expression for dy dx. Therefore, the slope of the tangent line at the point at squared, 2at is 1 over t. Here's what this tangent line looks like at our example point, where t equals 1. To summarize, we found the slope of the tangent line by first implicitly differentiating the equation, then solving for dy dx, and finally substituting the point to get our final answer of 1 over t.